Let's eat, you guys. We're here at Davis Chinese restaurant. It's called Tasty Kitchen. Let me see if it is so tasty.
It is tasty.
So far, so good.
Try it, look, it's good.
We ordered combination fried rice right now.
Chicken bitch. What did you say?
What's good here, guys? You have your own tea, free tea.
Gising ko.
Kung pao.
Enjoy.
It's good, right? Hinihintay pa natin ng ating order yung kung pao chicken, guys.
Malaki chicken stall natin? No? Just one. What about this place? It's far from school? No, everything in downtown's like close. Like, it depends on which bus you take. If I took the P line that way, it's like 5 minutes to school. But if I walk down that way, same thing. But you just have to walk. Pero rin bus sila pupunta na. The bus sila pupunta.
Manyaman, guys,
No,
oh.
not through this one.
Mahantana.
So they don't like run into the cars. I mean, they still run into cars. It's just like less of
Hindi na natin mahihintay yung pagkain natin, guys, kasi gutom na tayo. Time check is...
yung ulam, mama.
Yan. Time check, ano nung time check natin?
Time check ka. 7:44.
7:44 na, guys, kaya... Kasi naman ito yung in-order natin, combination fried rice naman. So it's good. Meron naman siyang chicken.
No, I'm so proud of myself. Bakit? I can do this.
Okay?
I have the Cheetos.
Paparating na ang ating order, guys.
Just put it there. Just ayan na.
Sarap, guys, oh. Meron tayong kung pao chicken, oh. Kung pao chicken. We got the kung pao chicken. So good. Then we have, what's this?
Salt.
Salted and pepper ribs. Tsaka meron tayong congee. Tingnan natin yung kung pao chicken nila.
I've never had it with fish.
Yan, oh. Yung sobra, guys, baunin natin bukas.
Baunin ng kaldereta.
Baunin ko yung kung pao chicken bukas. Taste test. Panalo, guys. Delicious, yeah. Delicious.
Delicious.
This place is legit. Kasi
Downtown Davis.
Kasi, guys, kapag minsan yung mga Chinese restaurant, kapag mag-order ako ng kung pao chicken, sometimes maalat. Ito hindi maalat, ayos lang. Sarap, po.
Remember na may katangking.
Tapos meron tayong soup.
This from Paris a little bit.
Parang ano sa atin to.
Maybe you
Parang
need
aros caldo, oh.
congee. Maybe you need the
Tawag nila congee.
need one. Patis. Oh yeah.
I know, right?
Wait, get the sauce. Did I get the patis?
kulang sa ano to, kulang sa sa patis. Walang lasa. Tuloy natin ang pagkain natin ng Kung Pao chicken. Oh. At saka yung portion nila guys, marami. Marami yung portion ng Kung Pao chicken. Tapos magano tayo ng fried rice natin. Halo natin sa Kung Pao. Sarap. What's this?
What?
Pork. Sarap oh. Kung Pao. I think sa apat na item na to, siguro mga 60 bucks guys.
Alive ka.
Good. Video. Sarap ng kain natin, no?
Wala may pinitang fast food.
Late na tayo kasi kumain eh.
Yeah. The whole thing. Get the whole thing. Ito manyaman natin pepper.
Kulang daw sa soso, kaya kinuha kong soy sauce na to. Yan na. Mga subscribers sa
I like this pepper.
Rizal TV, oh. Kain na tayo. It's so good, you guys. This is perfect Chinese food. Chinese restaurant. Panalo. Panalo, panalo. How's your pork ribs?
Yes.
Good? Portion ng ano, oh. Dami. Portion ng Kung Pao. Good. Chili, oh. Ano, so, yung Kung Pao nila, guys, medyo matamis-tamis na konting spicy. Yan ang gusto ko. Sarap nito, white rice. Siyempre, pork yan, ha? Banta. Kaya mo.
Tama mo.
Makes sense. Ito yung gusto ko rin, no?
Onion.
Onion, yan. Para siyang grilled onion. Grillin nila. Sarap. Punta na kayo dito. Located at downtown Davis, guys. So yummy. So delicious. Okay. Thank you again. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye.